today's recipe, I'm going to take half kg of skinless chicken. To that I'm going to add half a cup of curd or yogurt. Along with that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can add a little bit of salt to it as well. Here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm now going to mix this and leave this for marination for at least 45 minutes. While the chicken marinates, here I'm also going to soak 1.5 cup of seeraga samba rice for 30 minutes. Then, to make the green biryani masala, I'm going to take a mixer and add 4 green chillies to it. Along with that, I'm going to add about half a cup of green coriander leaves and 1/4 cup of pudina or mint leaves. I'm then going to take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee to it. Here, instead of the ghee, you can alternatively use oil as well. After adding the ghee, I'm going to add 4 cardamoms, 4 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, a bay leaf, and some chopped ginger and garlic. After adding all these ingredients, I'm now going to add 2 medium-sized onions to it. I'm going to now fry this for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm now going to add the piece of chicken to it. After adding the piece of chicken, I'm going to mix it really well with the onions. After mixing it well with the onions, I'm then going to cook this on medium flame for about 10 minutes. And I'm also going to be stirring this from time to time. After 10 minutes, I'm then going to add the green biryani masala paste to it. Along with that, I'm also going to be adding some lime juice here. And then I'm going to mix this really well with the chicken. After mixing it well, I'm then going to add the soaked rice to it. After adding the rice, I'm now going to add 2 glasses of water to it. After mixing it well, I'm then going to cover it with a lid and let it cook for a period of 20-25 minutes on low flame. While I cover it with the lid, on top of the lid, I'm also going to add a vessel with hot boiling water on it so that it can cook nice and evenly. Before covering it with the lid, here I'm also going to add a little bit of salt as per taste. After 25 minutes, you have noticed here that the rice is cooked really well here. At this point of time, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee to it. After adding the ghee, you can now mix this really well and you can now let it cook for another 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you can now optionally add some lime juice to it. After adding the lime juice, you can now switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.